Taking care of your appliances is our business, and appliance repair is our #1 priority. House Calls Appliance Repair helped homeowners in Ramona, Fallbrook, Temecula, and surrounding areas with top-notch appliance repairs at affordable rates. If your refrigerator isn't cooling efficiently anymore, washer not draining, dryer isn't drying, gas stove top burners not lighting, dishwasher not cleaning, our professionals are here to help you get your appliances back up and running like new. Our highly skilled professionals have the ability to not only save you money, but they have the ability to save you time. We are professional and punctual. We are efficient and careful. We offer free quotes. We are fully licensed and insured to keep you protected. Call us now for more information and visit our website to schedule an appointment.